In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to speed up your workflow, mastering this simple technique can make a big difference in how efficiently you're able to design. So let's dive right in and explore this essential functionality together. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Canva and navigate to the design you're currently working on. Once you're there, you'll notice that Canva offers a user-friendly interface with multiple elements such as text boxes, images, and shapes. Today we're focusing on how to copy and paste text, but keep in mind that these steps can also be applied to other elements within your design. Begin by selecting the text element you wish to copy. This can be any piece of text within your design, whether it's a heading, a paragraph, or even a single word. To select the text, simply click on it. You'll see it become highlighted, indicating that it is now ready to be copied. This visual cue is Canva's way of letting you know which text is currently selected. With your text selected, the next step is to copy it. You can do this quickly by using a handy keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Windows computer, press and hold the Control button, then press the C key. For those using a Mac, the process is slightly different. Hold down the Command button instead, then press C. This action copies your selected text, saving it temporarily to your computer's clipboard. Now that you have your text copied, you'll want to paste it. Start by identifying where you want to insert your copied text. Move your cursor to the desired location within your design. Click to place the cursor there, ensuring that the new spot is active for pasting. To paste, you'll use another keyboard shortcut. On a Windows computer, press and hold the Control button, then press V. If you're using a Mac, hold down the Command button and then press V, and just like that, your text should appear in your designated location, ready for you to adjust as needed. By utilizing these keyboard shortcuts, you can easily move text elements around in your projects, duplicating and repositioning them to suit your design needs. This method not only saves time but also allows for more precision compared to manual copying. To sum it up, mastering the art of copying and pasting in Canva can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your design process. So, whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or something entirely unique, this simple yet powerful skill will be an invaluable part of your toolkit. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.